welcome back to the channel, and I am super excited because today is my favorite day, my personal favorite day, because I'm going back to India. Yes. Okay, so literally I have packed up everything, waking up at morning 5 o'clock, and I didn't want to wake up at 5 o'clock. Who wants to wake up at 5 o'clock? Like, damn, no. But yeah, I did because of the excitement and all. So yeah, I've packed up everything, so I need to get going now because it's already 7, and yep, let's go. I need to book a cab, and let's see if the cab driver accepts my request or not. Yeah. So this is my fit for today, the airport fit. I have this passport bag, and yep. Because you know what? It's super hot over here, like you're gonna die over here. So, I just went with the crop top, a loose shirt, and my shorts. So yeah, let's go. So I've left the house now, and now I'm going to Chachawatsi station. So we'll meet my friends there. The sun is just so good, but it's so hot right now. Can't even imagine. I think I did a lot of eye makeup today. That's why my eyes are looking different. Anyways, see you there. Boarding the flight now. Okay, see you guys in Istanbul.
To smoke in the lavatories which are equipped with the smoke detectors. We kindly remind you that an administrative penalty will be applicable by the Directorate General of Civil Aviation in case of any breach as per the applicable legislation. Thank you.
8 hours later. The next day.